Gagawa tayo ng tikoy roll. Ingredients: 1/4 cup coconut flour, more than 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum, and 2 tablespoons sweetener. Mix all the dry ingredients. Then gradually add 1/2 cup of water. Mix well to incorporate all the ingredients. Then, gradually add 1/3 cup of low-carb condensed milk. Mix well to achieve a creamy consistency. Then, set aside. Ngayon, gagamit po tayo ng plastic at hatiin lang po ito. Tapos, patakan ng oil bago ilagay sa molder. Ngayon, ibuhos na ang tikoy mixture and steam for about 25 to 30 minutes over low-medium heat. Pagkatapos maluto, ilagay yung tikoy sa gitna ng dalawang plastic. Then press. And spread the tikoy. Tapos ilagay yung gusto nyong palaman. Then roll and cut. Depende sa gusto nyong length. Tapos ipagulong lang sa ground peanuts. At ito na ang ating finished product.